Hello everyone, I'm Mansi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm an entrepreneur. And when you subscribe to my channel, you will experience a different aspect towards life. As we discuss and I bring to you ideas and hacks for operational support. Do hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon. Do turn on the notification so each time when I upload a video, you will be notified. So everybody, before we begin, let's grab your coffee mugs or your teacups and let's begin. This is a little long video, will certainly take some time. So let's quickly grab a cup of coffee. In today's video, we will discuss and watch and how do we save on our motherland, our planet Earth, by practicing these R's in our everyday routines. They are very simple, but to most of us, they have gone past by. But it's never too late for anything. So let's do these to make a better life for us, for all of us. The trick to re-trick. Let's see how we use these 6 R's in our everyday life. 6 R's: reduce, reuse, refuse, recycle, replace, repurpose. Let's discuss in depth. The first one, refuse. Refuse plastic and disposable items like plastic bags, plastic items and objects. Refuse. Point number 2, reuse. Means to use the same object again. Example, shopping bags. Yes, hi. So while we are in discussion for the reusable items, the ketchup bottles, whether they are glass or they're these squeezy personalized bottles, squeezy bottle, anything may be repurposed or reused. The difference is if you are doing it on a reuse, then I think both are good. It's just that these pictures and images are shown to you so that we know that you do get pouches where you can get the refills, and we can just squeeze them out and clean it up properly and use either of it, either the glass ketchup bottles or the squeezy bottles. So these are one of the ways where we can save a lot of money and just ensure that we use the same product over and over again. So the glass bottle can either be taken into the category of a repurpose or a reuse. Next on number 2 ranking, we look at glass cleaners. Well, there are various brands of glass cleaners in the market. We are not supporting any particular brand here, but this is what personally I have been using. You do get refill pouches even for glass cleaners. So rather than buying the spray bottle over and over again, we may buy these refill pouches and fill in the content into the bottle because it's the same product. So needn't rinse or wash or dry, or just fill in the same product again, even if it's a different brand, because it's a glass cleaner or surface cleaner, and you're good to go. This will also save us a lot of money. And however, if the spray bottle is empty, and you have multiple bottles like these, we may also use it as a repurpose for some other product as well. Number 3 online is a floor cleaner, and we also have on number 4 is the hand wash dispenser. Now, if you look at the floor cleaner, it's a different brand altogether, but the content inside may again be of a different brand, but the product would remain the same. Again, here we could save a lot of money and save our environment as well. So if you're focusing on the floor cleaner, if you carefully see that we are using the same product, and this is again another way where you can just keep a good housekeeping going. Okay, now looking at a hand wash which is on number 4. Now this may also be repurposed, which we'll discuss in depth when I touch on the repurposed products segment shortly after this. So if you look at the hand wash, this is again refillable. You do get pouches which may be refilled as well. We have here our shower gel. So the bottle, the pump dispenser that you see of the shower gel is of course from Sephora's, because when I procured a shower gel from Sephora's, I had obviously taken this bottle with the product. And when I was through with the Sephora's do have the refill pouches. However, at this point in time, I have got the L'Occitane shower gel inside. Again, none of this product is sponsored. This is just what I do on my day-to-day use, and I'm just sharing these tips and hacks with you. Number 6. Number 6, we have got red chili flakes and oregano. This is of a brand Kia. Again, no sponsorship, but these products may also be reused. The glass bottles are brilliant. No matter which brand or which make you buy, you may definitely refill the oregano and the red chili flakes. We do also get the other seasonings, so these jars can be repurposed as well if you wish to, for putting in some other product. So these can definitely be reused. We have water bottles. You may use any of these two variations. We have a thermal flask as well as a regular plastic bottle. So please carry the bottle with you, fill it with water from home, and then step out of the house. Anywhere we travel, say for example, we go to restaurants, we go to malls, to the airports while we travel, or anywhere, drinking water is always available. So once you're at a restaurant, before you step out, after you finish your meal or coffee or anything, or any coffee house, to request them to refill the bottle for you, and they'll be more than happy to do that. Again, you'll save on a lot of plastic with the environment, and let's take care of our health as well. Small tips do make a huge difference in our day-to-day life. With number 8, we have these reusable shopping bags, which we may carry with us anytime we step out of our house. They are good to go. They do save us on buying any plastic bags. If you drive, do ensure to keep one in your car. We also get these kind of folding bags which even stays in the purse. They look pretty, economical. Number 3, recycle. Recycle means to convert waste items into usable objects. Gone grocery shopping? Yes. What have we received? Chilies, bananas, and a lot of other stuff. So what do we ideally do with these bags? What do we do with these bags? Like 99.99% people, they would throw these bags. What I would do, one moment, I'll just let you know what I would do with these bags. I'll transfer the contents. bags. Add it to the collection. And return these bags to the grocery store from where you buy the groceries, and they give you these bags. Why? Because these bags are not soiled, they are not bad, they're clean, they are good. You may just dust them off if you feel that there is some level of soil in case of potatoes. Collect these bags and return all these paper bags to the same grocery store, and you see the wonders that they feel. Trust me, friends, I have received a comment from them stating that thank you. You are the only one who returns these bags. There are people who do not do that. And I've started off this movement, guys, and you see what a difference it makes. Return these bags to the grocery store. We don't need them, and the garbage man doesn't either. So why waste? Recycle, guys, recycle. Ever received clothes from the laundry? Yes? With these sheets within? These sheets? What do you really do with these sheets? Any guesses? We have a chunk of these newspapers. As well as the sheets that we have received in our ironed clothes from the laundry. Oh yes, this one as well. So, what have you really done with these sheets? You discarded them? Let's do one thing. Let's recycle these. Return these to the same laundry man the next time they come to collect your clothes for ironing or for laundry services, and you see the smile on their face. Tell them that you're collecting these sheets and you'll be giving it to them when they come to collect the clothes the next time. Recycle these sheets, guys. They are not waste. They are not waste. These may be repurposed and actually recycled, but to a common man this is a waste. But ideally it's not a waste. There's nothing wrong with these sheets. They are not dirty. You've just taken them off from your clothes when you are wearing your cloth. So why waste? This is another hack for recycle. Number 4, replace. Replace means to use durable objects with durable materials which may be used for a longer period of time. Like for example, cutlery, plates, paper cups. Let's discuss in depth further. Number 5, reduce. By practicing all the R's, we will reduce the wastage and the rubbish that we make around us. Have we ever thought of what we are leaving behind us? Number 6, repurpose. Means to use the objects or items for something else. Point number 1 in our repurpose segment, as you can see, we have here with us hand sanitizer. This is a Zuki hand sanitizer. You may use any brand or any make which you desire. The point here being that I am repurposing this particular dispenser bottle because it's square, it's pretty, it looks good. You may just take the sticker off, fill it with your favorite hand wash, and you may also use it in the kitchen as a dishwash liquid soap dispenser. Voila! Now you have two repurpose usages for this particular hand sanitizer bottle. One is for your regular hand wash. You may keep in the bathroom, at your counter, at the receiving for guests and everyone. And one is in your kitchen for liquid vessel washes. The old makeup brush which you see there, it has been worn out and I'm unable to use it for my regular makeup, so I do use it in the kitchen or to clean up dust from the sills or from small grooves, from thin fine. If you have carving in your house, this can even be used to dust off, from these minute gaps of the carvings in the furniture. Then an old toothbrush, this can also be used to clean your jewelry. Is one of my old manicure pedicure pedicure brush, which I'm not using anymore. I have another brush I've replaced with a new one, and this brush I'm using it in the kitchen to scrub off the stains from the sink or from the gas range. When you have any spillages, this really works great. You may use any curd tub. In the sense, when you buy curd and you're buying in a tub, a large tub which you get in supermarkets, any brand is great to go. You may repurpose these by painting it, and these tubs may be used to put your makeup brushes, your cutlery, your ladles and spoons in the kitchen, or even for children, the small toys, the small Lego parts, or even their crayons, their stationery, their pens, pencils, staplers. It's a multi-purpose tub. This may be used anywhere, or even in your vanity counters in the bathroom, should you want to keep your brushes, combs, the n number of uses. This may again be used. If you can see, in one of the tubs I've let the handle remain, and in the other tub I've taken the handle off. This is an empty formula pouch of the baby food powder food, Similac. This pouch may be reused. Just wash it, rinse it off, dry it. This may be used for a lot of purposes. Should you see, I've stored green coriander in this. Trust me, ladies, your vegetables stay really fresh, especially the leafy ones. They stay fresh for about more than 8 days. They don't turn black, they don't turn dark. This is brilliant. Use paper clips, food clips. Sorry, not paper clips, food clips. I've kept my vegetables in this. Promise you, they will stay fresh and as fresh and as fresh. For a repurpose, use any product containers which are empty to store anything at all. So if you see the small jar to your left, I received some almondy chocolates in that. I've stored it with some jaggery product. Then I had some other product back in the yellow and blue jar. I've stored it with some snack item. The red one is of Parle cheeselings. My daughter loves that, so once the jar is empty, this one I filled it with crystal salt, and the other one is of some other snacks, and I've used it again to store some other snacks. So these may also be repurposed to store a lot of things. We are having the bottle of olive, the purple lid one. Before that, you see the red lid bottle, that's another pickle. And to my right, you see there are these two milk bottles. Now, coming to the red lid jar, it's a glass jar. It's of a brand of a pickle. But when that pickle was exhausted, I filled it in with another pickle. Of course, a different flavor of a different brand. And what you see there is the black olives jar that was empty, so I made some homemade chili pickle. Yes, you heard it right, they're green chilies. And I prepared them at home and used that glass jar to fill it up with some other pickle. Now, to your right, you see two glass bottles. One is with a gold lid, which has got soya, and the one with the black lid has got chili vinegar. So again, these can also be repurposed to use in our day-to-day kitchen life, house life. Nothing is a waste, friends, trust me. Everything can be reused, repurposed, recycled. Yet another use of a milk bottle. Gone to Caventer's and other various coffee joints where we receive bottles. Yet another use. Just place a bamboo plant or a money plant, any plant of your choice. Decorate it with some crystal stones. Fill in with some drinking water, of course, and see the magic. Another hack. Nothing ever goes for a waste. It's just how you take things into use. Most of it in our daily lives may be used. What do we do when we receive flyers in the newspapers? Well, there are multiple uses, friends. This is a double-sided one. These are double-sided. These are the plain ones, one-sided. These may be used as making notes, scribbling, writing down information. These may be repurposed for that. And well, these may be used as pet poop scoopers. Yes, you heard them right. Pet poop scoopers. For those of us who have pets, this may be used for that. Picking up pet poop and throwing it in the bin. Well, I have a lot of these. I have a packet full of these flyers, and I never let anyone go to a waste. Each one of them have a duty to perform. Shoe boxes. What do we do with shoe boxes and product boxes? Repurpose them. This box is of a product Olay. Yes, you got that right. Olay. Kept it at my shoe rack at the entrance of the door and kept all the equipments and ingredients that I require for my shoe care. And these are the shoe boxes. Here is my pet's leashes, jacket, his t-shirt. Yes, you heard that right. My pet does have a t-shirt. And these are the shoe bags that we receive with the shoes. So these may be repurposed as well. Another hack. Have you received chocolates? Yes. Well then, these are the Amul Choco Mini boxes, which I do use again in my baby's caddy. Repurpose. And of course, to store her medicines. Again, Amul Choco Minis. There you go. Candy boxes. Yes. These are all candy boxes that are repurposed. These are my bobby pins, the hairpins. These are smaller safety pins. Of course, there's just one right now, the other ones are in use. These are the gum, the safety pins. There we go. And of course, again these for the hair products. You got that right, guys. These are icebreakers. These are Tic Tacs. These are Orbit gums. All have a purpose to serve. OMG, you received a candle? Yes? Well guys, this may be repurposed. Let's see how. This is a little section of my vanity. These are all the candle motifs which I have repurposed. I have gotten the wax off, just decorated it, and repurposed this. Don't these look so pretty? These are my miniatures. Now, this will also have a house. There we go. This will be placed into this. You got that right, people. This is another glass jar which is used for which was earlier used for my money plant, but now of course I'm using this for my smaller products. These are garbage liners, and the garbage liners do come with some twines. So what do we do with these twines? If you are not going to tie them, ideally what I do is I just tie a knot to my garbage, but I repurpose these. I use these for hanging toys in my kids' room on the ceiling. Isn't this a wonderful idea for a repurpose of this? I simply enjoy using these garbage liner threads, twines over the toys for my kids' room, just to hang her toys up from the ceiling. Shortly show you an image of the same. It looks wonderful, and she enjoys looking up at the ceiling. receive groceries. Time to repurpose, guys. Collect all these bags. If required, cut them to the requirement for where you would like to use them. These may be used for multiple purposes. For non-veg lovers, if you buy non-veg in chunks, you may make sections of these. Just cut them through here. Cut them through here with a pair of scissors and reuse them. Store your non-veg for each day or each meal and freeze it. So here I have a bag full of these bags. This is of a similar formula. This is exactly how I cut them and store them. Not just for non-veg, these may also be used for various other purposes. Like if you wish to freeze something, or you wish to use it in the kitchen for something else. Of course, all these bread papers as well. There are some nice thick bread papers which may be used as well. There we go. So, should you have a requirement, just crop it. These are the waste, this card. Well, the bags are ready. Just wash it, rinse it once and repurpose them. Should you have dustbins and you need to have liners, repurpose these bread covers. This is for my car. We are ready with our dustbins and the liners. This is for my car and this is for the bedroom, the guest bedroom. Is this clothes liner broken? Oops. Let's repurpose this. Gently remove these clips clips are in good condition, so we needn't waste the clips. Gently remove these clips. Take a Fevikwik. Take these command hooks. Now, with the help of a command hook, we already have stickers behind the command hook. Place a drop or two of the Fevikwik and stick it in your kitchen along, and then hang this clip over the command hook. You're good to go to hang your dusters and kitchen towels. Let's see how. This is exactly how we have placed the command hook. Stuck it with a few drops of Fevikwik behind the sticker and then placed it on the wall of the kitchen sink externally, so that we do not disturb the operation within the sink. There you go. Again, in another repurposed section, I would like to hereby mention this bottle is of L'Oreal hair serum, which I had bought a couple of years ago. However, after the serum is over, I'm using it to store a regular hair oil in it, and it's there on my vanity counter. This is a glass bottle and it's brilliant quality. It is thick, it serves well, and this bottle may even be heated in case the oil thickens up during winters. But now that it's summer, the oil is in its liquid state and it just serves the purpose right. Should you have a packet of baby wipes or wet wipes which is over, need to buy a tissue box to secure your wipes. Remove these and secure it onto another packet of wipes. Pampers, Cara, Apollo, and these two are Himalaya. Repurpose. I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for having taken the time on these days with your busy schedule and for watching this video. Should you have any further ideas or any suggestions, do mention the comment section down. Don't forget to like this video, do subscribe to my channel and share this. This video would be available in 3 languages, English, Hindi and Gujarati. Do share this further if you feel that somebody else might be able to benefit. Come, let's make a difference to our motherland.